Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to analyze audionhearing.com website and I'll also explain Audion Hearing is a scam or legit. So let's take a look. So this is the homepage of this website, and this website is offering the best rechargeable hearing aid with same technology at $5,000 hearing aids. Audiologist #1 recommended online hearing aid, rated most comfortable, and rechargeable battery saves your ton on batteries. So the company is also offering 30-day money back guarantee and the price is $89, which is affordable. So let's take a look at the entire information. This website is based in United States and known for free fast shipping. And here you can get easy and free returns as well. So this is the about us information of this website. You can read the entire information for your knowledge. And why choose Audion? Because it is FDA approved, superior audio quality and rechargeable. It is long lasting as well. So here are some questions, and this is the diagram of this device along with the specifications. How are these so affordable? You can read the answer to this question. And here are some testimonials or reviews that you can read. So here are the ratings and reviews. So according to the reviews, you'll find positive reviews about this website or product. But before that, let's take a look at the contact us information. Here you can find the phone number and email address, which is hello@audionsupport.com. But guys, the official address is missing on this website, which is a sign of scam website. Let's take a look at a refund and policy. So the policy lasts for 30 days. And if 30 days have gone by since your purchase, then unfortunately the company can't offer you a refund or exchange. So remember this point. Here are other information you can read, and here is the privacy policy. So you must read the privacy policy for your convenience to know whether the website is legit or scam. So guys, I'm not able to see the contact page information on the bottom of this website, because contact us information defines legitimacy of a website. And I want to tell you that audionhearing.com is a very recent, means less than 6 months website, which is usually a bad sign, because most scam websites use new domain names, and it was registered on 14th of February 2020. So we can't say this website is legit. This website has a mail server as well, which is a good sign for legitimacy, but we can't say this is a guarantee. The website is also padlocked with HTTPS protocol detected and is using Shopify platform. So audionhearing.com is probably not a scam but legit. But yes, we analyzed that the website came with a review of audionhearing.com of 67%, and we always recommend you to do a manual check by yourself to new websites. So when you click the menu option, you find nothing, because this website is new, and you can check the search category as well. So I think I'm not able to see enough information to judge whether the website is legit or scam. So yes, the website is using SSL certificate, which is a positive highlight. But when it comes to negative highlights, this Website is low traffic, no reviews have been found on Web of Trust, and it has been 83 days since the website was set up. The website was registered less than 6 months ago, and this website setup relates to 2 countries, which is not a good sign of legitimacy. An internal review system is used by this site. This is one of the major negative highlights of this website. So I can say this website is scam, not a legit website. Rest, you can check your information by yourself and decide whether you have to buy from this website or not. So I think this video is helpful for you. And if you had a bad experience with this company, then you can also share your experience in the comments. It will also give benefit to other customers. And that's it. So I'll get back to you with another scam alerts. And thanks for watching the video, guys. Thank you so much.